Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and every other holiday that I've missed. I know I've been away for quite some time, but I'm back. And so in today's video, I'm going to be doing two of my favorite box braids hairstyles. They're absolutely easy to achieve, so don't worry, don't panic. And besides, who doesn't love box braids? Who doesn't love Senegalese twists? You can also do these styles with Senegalese twists, by the way. Woo, that was a mouthful. But yeah, you can achieve these two looks with them. It's very simple, very easy to do. Absolutely love doing them when I have the time to do them, that is, and when I'm going out, because they have this timeless, classy look to them. So yeah, so if you'd like to learn how to do these two easy box braids hairstyles, then keep on watching. Let's get into it, guys. This box braids hairstyle. So what I normally do is, like, I take part of the hair to the side, so just parts of it, so it's just like so. Okay, so you're gonna start off like this, and you're going to cornrow this side. So let me just make sure that everything is in place. Okay, so you take two braids and then you cross over like so, like this, and then you take some from the bottom and then you take it over to this side. So if you already know how to do cornrows, this would be very simple for you, but if you don't know, then just try and look carefully. So this one has gone in the middle. I'm taking some hair which is at the bottom, and then I'm just, you know, taking it up and then twist, and then this one also I grab some hair and add it to it and then twist. So you just continue like that. So I'm just going to continue, grab some hair. I hope I'm not making a mess out of this because I don't have a mirror to see exactly what I'm doing, but you get what I'm trying to do, right? So yeah, so I do it all the way like so, and then I just braid down a little bit because I don't want it to unravel. And then what I do next is I take parts of my hair on this side, take it to the back, unravel just a little bit so everything just becomes one. Take my hair scrunchie, whatever hairband you have, you just take and use. And then, so it's kind of like a half up, half down style that's going on at the back. I'm not holding everything because, bear in mind, my hair is too full to hold everything. If you want to hold everything though, you can do it. That's if your braids are not too thick. So yeah, so I just do it like that. And this is the final look. This is it. And this is the back. It's pretty simple, isn't it? That is look number one. Now let's move on to look number two. So with look number two, it's pretty simple. I'm starting off with my middle parts, you know, because I am going to take these two pieces of hair and leave them in the front. I usually do this hairstyle without my glasses on, but I need to look in my viewfinder to see what exactly I'm doing. So yeah, so I have these two pieces of hair in front. I can put them in my mouth just to hold them out of the way, but I won't because I won't be able to talk. So I'm just gonna leave them here and hope for the best. So anyways, I just pull everything, not all my hair, but just some of it, all the way up, because this is going to be like a half up, half down type of look as well. So I'm just pulling everything up. I'm probably just going to speed through this process because, I mean, it's very simple, it's very straightforward. After pulling everything up, I'm holding it. I'm going to hold it higher though. So I bring everything all the way to the top, and then I use my scrunchie to just hold it. Yeah, be careful that you don't pull any of your hairs on the side because these are your baby hairs and stuff, and so if you ruin it, you're gonna be bald. So yeah, be careful. After this, I am just going to take some hair from underneath the hair that is held. Just take some away, okay, and then I'm going to wrap it around the headband, the hairband that is holding my hair in place, because I want to hide it, and it also heightens, it kind of heightens the this hair that is being held. So I'm going to wrap it around it, and with the ends right here, just tuck them under. Just tuck them. Make sure they are well tucked. Hopefully mine is well tucked, because there's been a number of times where I've done this hairstyle and it was not well tucked. And then you just kind of like spread the hair. Ouch. Spread the hair out. There we go. And this is the look. I haven't done my edges, don't judge me, but yeah, this is the look. This is the back as well. This is this part as well. I hope you guys can see. I'm just gonna put some makeup on so you can see what it looks like all glammed up and whatnot. Thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really had fun doing this for you. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, make sure to comment down below. If you'd also like to connect with me, make sure to head over to Instagram at AbigailAshon25, and you can see my daily activities and everything else that I do there, because I'm somewhat active over there. So make sure to follow me over there. And if there's any other tutorial that you'd like me to do, or any other suggestions that you may have, make sure to drop your comments down below. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.